How to change news language on MetaTrader 5. Are you guys facing issues to change your news language on MetaTrader 5 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 5 on your device. Once you open the app, now click on the setting. Now again tap on settings. You can see multiple options over here. Now tap on news languages and select the language according to your preference. For example, if you want to change it to Chinese, then just simply tap on Chinese. Now go back to your setting. Now your news language will be changed to Chinese. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaTrader 5, don't forget to comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.